Moto Guzzi Café Racer by Kaffeemaschine. In America, custom motorcycles are everywhere, from bobbers, choppers to cafe racers, you name it and they have got it. But what they don't have is Axel Budde and his Kaffeemaschine workshop. That is how this Moto Guzzi Le Mans aka Kaffeemaschine 12 became an international affair. The Italian Moto Guzzi was customized by Kaffeemashine in Germany for Axel's customer William Connor from CA, USA. The brief was simple: the customer wanted a classic Italian Café Racer, just like it could have been released in the 60s but with the addition of some modern/new technique and muscle.